Hello friends, welcome to Ultra Pixels. This is a 32-inch Mytron LED TV. Here the complaint is no display. Here you can see the result. Now let's release the TV from the standby. See, now the TV is released from the standby. Here you can see in the video that the backlight is okay, but the complaint is no picture. Here you can see that there is nothing displays on the TFT screen. Only backlight is there. So these types of complaints are mainly due to internal shorting inside the glass panel, either from the left side of the panel or right side of the panel. The shorting may be with the gate signals. The gate signals are causing this issue. Here you can see this is the motherboard and this is the panel scalar Tcon board. Now let's open the cover. Here you can see in our previous videos we mentioned in detail how to repair the SM4186 panel. It's a 32-inch Samsung panel with the SM4186 DC to DC IC. We've done more than 10 videos regarding this topic in our channel. So to repair this panel, we need to cut down the gate signals either from the left side or the right side. If while cutting the left side the picture is okay, then do nothing. If the picture is not okay, then we need to rejoin the cutter tracks and cut down the other side. If both sides are complaint, then it's not repairable. Here the DC to DC IC named as SM4186 IC goes to protection mode. Because of that, due to internal shorting inside the glass panel, this DC to DC IC goes to protection mode and it doesn't produce any, it may not produce any basic panel voltages like AVDD, VGH, Vgh, Vgl, etc. It only produces 3.3 voltage. Here you can see the meter reading. Now the TV is released from standby. Here you can see the 12 volt input VCC is okay. Here you can see Vgh voltage is missing. It's also called as VGH voltage. It's missing. So let's start the repair. For that, we need to cut down the gate signal tracks from the source PCB. As I said earlier, these types of complaints are mainly due to internal shorting inside the glass panel. So to repair, we need to cut down the each side gate signal tracks and check whether the picture is okay or not. Here now I am going to cut down the left side track first. Here in this video the tracks are marked clearly. Here you can see. So let's cut down the tracks in the left side first and check whether the picture is okay or not. Now I'm going to cut down the left side gate signal tracks for checking the picture is okay or not. Friends, finally we cut down the left side tracks. You can see the tracks which are cutted from the left side of the source PCB. You can see the left side gate signal tracks are cutted down using this sharp surgical blade. So now let's release the TV from the standby and check whether the picture is okay or not. If picture is okay, then do nothing. Otherwise we need to rejoin the cutter tracks and cut down the other side of the panel. If both sides are short, so in that case the panel is not repairable. After cutting down the left side track, left side CKV gate signal tracks, here you can see the V on voltage named as VGH voltage in the meter. So now the internal shorting is removed and the SM4186 DC to DC IC started working. So you can see the final result. The TV is working fine. You can see the picture. The picture is 100% okay. It's a perfect picture. So now let's put the back cover and screws back to the TV and check the final result. See friends, finally now everything is done. Now we successfully repaired the TV. Now let's put all screws and covers back to TV. Now finally we put down all screws back to the TV. Now the TV is in standby mode. So let's release the TV from the standby and see the final result. You can see the Mytron logo on the display. It means that now the TV is working fine. We successfully repaired the TV. Hope you like this video. See you in another video with another interesting topics. Thanks for watching.